What's up, guys? I am filming just a little update video for you because I don't know, I guess there's really no reason. I'm wearing a cream covered Hawaiian shirt right now because I just changed out of my Sylas gear and this was the only thing laying around, and I actually used it to clean up a bunch of spilt coffee creamer off the desk in there. Also, I just wiped a bunch of sweat off my face because it is fucking hot. Okay, well, I mean, it's like just cooling down now, but it's been fucking hot today, guys. Let me tell you. Like 100 degrees, I think. Probably 100, late 90s at least. And I'm filming these Sylas Brown videos, so I gotta wear like a turtleneck and like a blazer in this crazy summer heat. So I'm gonna go get my dog.
Hey boy. Hey, what's up? What's up, boy? Oh, look how big he is. Look how big he is.
Look at him. Look at him. He really grew, didn't he? Yeah, he really grew.
Oh, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Oh. Oh. He's a cutie. He's a cutie. Are you a cutie?
So for those of you who don't know, we just wrapped up this really cool series, something that I'm really proud of, on my other channel, Sylas Brown channel. I'll put the playlist link in the description because it's kind of like a story. You know, there's a storyline and everything, and you got to start from the first chapter to really get into it.
Why are you watching this?
But it's not just story, guys. It's scripted story mixed with real. What the fuck are you doing? Hey, hey! It's scripted story mixed with real, authentic reactions, like Sylas interacting with the public, vlog style. So, anyways, there's 13 chapters. Each chapter is like 3 to 7 minutes long or something like that. And I recommend checking it out if you haven't. Just the first 2 episodes are really good. The third one is probably the weakest one, but by the 4th one, that's really where the story kind of starts to take off. Yeah, the end of the 4th one, and then you'll want to watch the 5th one. I hope so. I mean, I think so. So yeah, just give it to there. If you don't like it, that's fine. I just recommend checking it out. It'll make me happy because I put a lot of work into it, and I've been uploading there actually the most consistently that I think I've ever uploaded, except besides that stretch of pranks when I was in St. Louis. But I've been uploading every week for like 4 months on that channel. And now that the series is over, I'm kind of just doing random different types of videos until mid to late September, which is when season 2 will start. And it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be twice as good as the first season. I guarantee it. What the fuck do you have there?
What is that? What is that? What did you get? Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's.
I'm just gonna show you like a little tour of the studio real quick. This is where I've been filming Sylas Brown videos. It's a huge mess right now, but anyways, this is, I got some like lighting shit right there. There we go. Let's get these things on. Here's my camera. This is the Blackmagic cinema camera. I think I showed you this before, but anyways, if you've all been watching the Sylas Brown videos, that's the camera I use for like those opening shots, like establishing shots or whatever. For those of you who have seen it, this is, well, you know what this is. Yeah, Darnell Doyle, guys. Darnell Doyle. Yeah, I don't want to say too much. So anyways, this is Sylas's desk. This stuff's not usually on the desk, but this is. We got his Starbucks coffee cup. We got a hand. for creamy handshakes. We got, this was just for the coffee review that I did. We got this little bullfighter guy here. These are all Sylas's little knickknacks. Just stuff that he owns, things that mean stuff to him, things that are important to him. Anyways, for those of you who have finished the first season, if you have any questions, non-spoilery, just let me know. If you're confused at any point during it, or you just want to know someone's motives, like a character's motives, or if you saw something that you thought may have been symbolic in some way, just go ahead and ask in the comments and I'll confirm it. I might upload some deleted scenes and takes because I have a shit ton of them, just from vlogging. I have a lot of just vlog footage actually that went completely unused because it didn't really advance the storyline, but it's entertaining is because it's real people, real reactions, and Sylas messing with them. Well, not messing with them, but you know, just being Sylas, just Sylas being Sylas in public. So I might upload that in a different video. Go ahead, ask your questions, like this video, subscribe. I guess that wraps this video up.